Nowadays, studies are showing that crypto belongs in everyone's portfolio. And with the rise of crypto in the last few years, what better way to get involved than to get paid in crypto every time you spend? You have your basic credit cards that give you cash back or travel rewards every time you spend. But in this video, we'll be talking about the top crypto cards that will earn you crypto when spending, with the first one being the popular BlockFi card. This is a card that will net you 1.5% back in Bitcoin on every purchase, meaning for every $1,000 you spend, you're gonna get $15 in Bitcoin. But in the first 3 months, that percentage will be bumped up to 3.5% back in Bitcoin, up to a $100 cap. And if you're a whale and you spend more than $50,000 on the card every year, every dollar after that will get you 2% back in Bitcoin instead. On top of all of that, if you sign up now in December, you'll also get $75 in crypto after you make your first purchase, and all for no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees. One thing to note though is that you'll get paid out your Bitcoin once every month. So whatever the price is on that day, that's how much you're getting your Bitcoin at. So if you spend on one day, Bitcoin spikes up the next day and then comes back down, you wouldn't be able to sell it at the peak because you wouldn't have gotten your Bitcoin yet. Other perks you get on this card include 0.25% back in Bitcoin on all eligible trades up to $500 in Bitcoin per month, and then $30 in Bitcoin for every referral you get. So what is BlockFi? Well, they're a crypto first company that lets you trade crypto, borrow against your crypto, as well as earn interest for holding crypto in their interest accounts. That means for the crypto that you earn, whether it be Bitcoin or if you convert it to another coin, if you hold it in one of their accounts, you'll also get interest up to 9% back depending on which currency you're holding. If you believe in crypto, which you probably do if you're watching this video, then you'll benefit from the rise in price over the long period, as well as the compounding from the interest you're receiving. Hey, real quick, if you're enjoying content like this, let me know with that like button because it'll really help the channel out. Thanks so much. If you're familiar with crypto, then you'll know what Coinbase is, the only publicly traded crypto exchange in the US that also has and allows you to trade a lot of different coins. They also have an upcoming card, which is actually a Visa debit card where you can earn up to 4% back in crypto on everything you buy. Right now, it seems like the 4% in crypto is paid out in Stellar Lumens XLM, and will drop to 1% back if you decide to get paid out in Bitcoin instead. Both of these prices can fluctuate, but the perk about this card is that you'll get your crypto after your transaction completes, usually between 1 to 5 days. So you could go in and sell that crypto for US dollars or another currency instead, which will minimize the fluctuations of the amount you earn. Now, another cool thing is that it'll let you spend your crypto, but that isn't as amazing as it sounds. When you spend crypto, it actually makes you sell the crypto at the current price, and Coinbase will charge you 2.49% on that transaction, and then spending the dollars you get from that. For example, let's say you bought Ethereum at $4,000. Ethereum then goes up to $4,500, and then you decide to spend it to buy something that's $4,500. To do that, it sells the Ethereum at $4,500, incurring a $500 capital gain taxable event, and then uses those proceeds to make your purchase. And then don't forget the transaction fee on top of that. That's why if you do get this card, choose to spend in US dollars or USDC, because that's a stable coin that's pegged to the US dollar 1-to-1. So essentially you wouldn't be paying any taxes, and they won't charge you the 2.49% transaction fee. Another thing is that this card is a debit card, meaning it will have a maximum of a $2,500 spending limit per day with a $1,000 ATM withdrawal limit. So you won't be able to make any major purchases with this card. Oh, and this card has no annual fee as well. Next up, we have the upcoming Gemini card, which is a clean and sleek luxury card that could be had in customized black, silver, or rose colors. With this card, you're getting 3% back for dining up to $6,000 spent a year, 2% back on groceries, and 1% back on everything else, along with no annual fees again, and no foreign transaction fees. This card also gives you the flexibility to earn in Bitcoin, Ether, or another 40 plus different cryptocurrencies, all with no fees when you are acquiring your rewards. So if you're spending $1,000 on dining, then you won't incur any fees and you'll directly get your $30 in Bitcoin back in your account. The thing about credit card rewards in crypto is that credit card rewards in general are classified as rebates, not income. So these aren't supposed to be taxable events. But do your own research because this is not tax advice. Although you would still have to pay when you decide to sell your crypto in the future with a capital gains or a capital loss. And because this is a MasterCard World Elite, you're also getting those benefits, which include 3 months of Dash Pass, HelloFresh discount, credit for Lyft rides, and ShopRunner, as well as cell phone protection for when you drop your phone after seeing your crypto go to the moon. Gemini is definitely no stranger to the crypto world. They're one of the most secure places and even offer custody service to their customers, and also lets you earn interest on your crypto up to 8% a year. Okay, this one's an interesting one. Crypto.com is an exchange that you might have seen around, especially when they paid $700 million for 20-year naming rights to rename the Staples Center. They also have a lineup of 5 different tiers of Crypto.com cards that don't have annual fees, but are determined based on how much CRO token you stake with them. Now, staking and all could be an entirely different video, but for here, all you need to know is that you would need to hold a certain value of their CRO tokens in your account. Once you stake it, the value of the coin could go up or down. But if it does go down, you wouldn't need to top up the value of what you're staking because it locked in the rate when you initially put up your stake. If you're bullish on crypto.com, then this might be a great way to help you diamond hand and hold the CRO tokens. And hey, that might not be a bad idea, especially when they've come out with their mainnet beta of their own blockchain. Just like Binance having Binance Smart Chain and KuCoin having their own chain as well. So starting from the right, if you stake nothing with them, you get a card that gives you 1% back in rewards of CRO. If you stake $400, you get a card that gives you 2% back in CRO and monthly Spotify reimbursed, a $12.99 a month value. If you have $4,000 stake with them, then you're getting 3% back in CRO rewards, Spotify, and Netflix, so another $13.99 in value, as well as lounge key access. Up that to a $40,000 stake, then you're getting 5% back, Spotify, Netflix, plus Amazon Prime of $12.99 a month, and $50 a month of Expedia, and a guest to lounge key access. If you're a whale and you have $400,000 worth of CRO to stake, then you're getting 8% back in CRO rewards, all the previous rewards, and monthly $100 for Airbnb. From what I've seen, most people go for either the Ruby Steel or the Indigo or Jade Green cards, as the higher ones are really out of reach for most people. Although with those higher tier cards, you are getting a few extra bonuses, like Crypto.com Private, which gives you some bonus perks, as well as bonus interest on crypto that you have with them in tiers of up to $400, $4,000, or over $40,000 staked, getting as high as a 14.5% rate on things like Polkadot. Who knows, maybe Crypto.com continues to do well, their CRO token continues to go up in value, and you actually make money years later from your staking of their coin. Alright, if those crypto first companies are intimidating, then maybe you can consider traditional companies that offer rewards in crypto, like the SoFi card. SoFi is a company that has a whole suite of services, like different kinds of loans, to investing, insurance, and so much more. And they have a credit card that gives you 2% back when you redeem it into one of their SoFi products, including the crypto account, without charging you a fee. And because this is a MasterCard, you're also getting World Elite benefits like we saw on the Gemini card that includes your Dash Pass, your HelloFresh, Lyft, and ShopRunner benefits, as well as a cell phone protection. As with basically all the other cards, there is no annual fee here. There are a ton of cards out there, but not many that offer crypto rewards. But times are changing. The business-focused Brex card allows you to redeem for cryptocurrency starting earlier this year. And Venmo's credit card will let you auto-purchase crypto whenever the cashback hits your account without any crypto transaction fees. For a lot of these cards though, make sure you know how you're getting your crypto rewards. Because when it comes up for tax season, you may or may not need to report some of this info on your tax return. If you do though, most of these companies should be able to provide you a file that you can upload direct to your tax software or give to your tax accountant. The entire crypto market is moving lightning fast, but you can get in now before it gets really mainstream, which is why you should check out this video where I go over how you can start investing in crypto as a beginner. Or if you're interested in other amazing credit cards that build up my millennial wallet, check out another video here. With that said, hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I'll see you in the next one.